Anamnesis resumes the intention to bring back the value of Serra da Estrela Natural Park, pretending to expose the unique natural heritage that the memory has lost. During the journey trying to find the intervention site, an element seduced my eye: a rock. Its static, solid and austere looking contrasts with its sculptural and graceful appearance. In this disordered environment, where everything seems to exist on its own, the unexpected happens: an alignment between this rock and the wall of an artificial lagoon. In analogy with the land art concept, this alignment between a natural and an artificial element evokes a site-specific intervention, where the proposal assumes simplicity and boldness in a controlled and balanced way. In this process comes up the idea of a monolith embedded in a topography emerging to the surface. This volume establishes the alignment between the rock and the wall, being the only gesture of intervention the volume itself. Accessing the site, freely by nature, the visitor interacts with the landscape through a dynamic exploration with the building. Developed along three levels, the center explores the educational, interpretative and cultural components, where different atmospheres created along the project dynamize the visitor experience. Although the promenade inside the building promotes a feeling of freedom, the visitor is guided through a linear, continuous and clear course with no crossed paths, while the longitudinal visual connection stimulates a special memory during the building tour. Each permanent exhibition room offers to the visitor a specific moment of landscape contemplation. 4 observation points opens over precise alignments with a focused and instructed view that defines the thematic of each exhibition room. So, an individual dialogue is provided between light and shadow, interior and exterior, sound and silence, movement and contemplation. The landscape appears as the end and beginning of the proposal in a deep relation between man and architecture.